Okay, I am just about to set off. I parked over at the community college parking lot. I don't see any signs that say it'll tow, so fingers crossed. Only gonna be gone for a day. All right, let's get started. What a beautiful day. Man, just passing through Blossom right now, about 10 miles in to the ride, but it's gonna be an awesome day. If it dries up a little bit. Okay, so right now, I am in a park in Blossom, a little more than 10 miles from the start, and I have the remnants of a zebra cake that I'm going to eat for breakfast. So you might notice that this is not a straight continuation from the last video. I had to take a break because it was too wet. The first night I camped in Roxton, and it just rained so hard that the trails were not rideable. I mean, it was about 5 inches in the night. So probably could have done better planning on my part, but I had to come back. It's like a month later, actually. Just this is when I can get out here, and I'm gonna finish it. So I didn't start exactly in Roxton where I left off, but I started in Paris because I thought I could find just better parking there. And I'm gonna try and get to New Boston today. That is the end of the Northeast Texas Trail. I'm gonna try and do that today. But it's been raining again this past couple weeks, so we're gonna see how the trails are. It might be that this is gonna be a lot of country road riding, farm roads, dirt roads, opposed to the actual Texas Trail. We're gonna see how I do. All right. What a beautiful clearing. Oh, amazing. Let's hope it stays like this for a while. All right, just stopped in Detroit for some water, and I am good to go now for a while. Maps has got about 2 to 3 miles to New Boston Trail. Let's put some miles behind us to go. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm back to stuff that looks like this. At least this is cleared out. I think I found a spot to eat lunch. All right. I think I lost the trail. So I'm just gonna, it says it's that way, but I don't see anything. I'm just gonna keep on going this way. According to Google Maps, it's running parallel, so hopefully I'll be able to catch a trailhead soon. This feels so easy now, after all that time off-road. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put my bike over this. I guess I can just go down to that highway over there and bypass it. It's a little too sketchy for me, even to walk my bike across. So I'm off the trail again, but it's just right there. I'm like a little break. About 10 miles outside New Boston. Okay, we're in the final stretch. Let's go. And here we go. We're getting there. Woo. It's a lot of fun, but a long day. Oh man, I'll see you at the trailhead. We are here. This is the Trailhead Park. Oh man. See that? Well, that's it for me. Did about 73, 74 miles today. Took me basically the whole day. What a ride. That was a lot of fun. Good to be done now. I am gonna find myself something to eat and find a place for me to pitch a tent. Then I'm gonna do it again tomorrow and head back. All right. Thank you so much for watching.